Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the time zone of the fandom.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website, go to your homepage and then tap on this profile button down below in the left side corner of the screen. After that, tap on View Profile. Then tap on this button again and click on My Preferences. Click on Appearance at the top below the Preferences title. Scroll down to the bottom where you can see the time offset section. Here you can see the server and the local time, and below you can set the time zone. Here you can see them, so just simply tap on the relevant one. Scroll down to the bottom and click on the Save button to update the time zone of the whole website. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.